In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use a Lock Unlock app in Google Drive by connecting it from the Marketplace. If you ever need an extra layer of protection on a document, a third-party lock app lets you secure or open protected files without leaving Drive. We'll keep it simple and stick to the built-in way of adding apps, so you don't have to hunt around. Start by opening a web browser and going to drive.google.com. Sign into your Google account so you can see your files. If you use more than one account, make sure you're in the right one before you continue. Inside Drive, look to the top left and click New. In the menu that appears, choose More, then click Connect More Apps. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace within Drive, where you can add trusted third-party tools. In the search bar at the top, type the word Lock. You'll see several options appear. Read the summaries to find a Lock Unlock app that fits your needs, such as a tool designed to lock and unlock files in Drive. When you've chosen one, click Install. A prompt will ask you to authorize access. Review the permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable, confirm to continue. This step links the app to your Drive so it can work with your files. When the installation finishes, return to your Drive. Find the file you want to protect or open. Right-click the file to bring up the context menu. Hover over Open With, then select the Lock app you just installed. Drive will launch the app and hand off the file so you can work with it. Use the app's interface to lock or unlock the file. The exact buttons and wording vary by app, but you'll typically see clear options to secure a file or remove its protection. Follow the on-screen instructions, wait for the process to complete, and watch for a confirmation message. Some apps update the existing file, others create a new secured or unlocked copy, so take note of the result before you close the window. Remember, locking a file with a third-party app is different from Drive's standard sharing. You can still manage who can view or edit using the Share button, and the app's protection adds another layer on top of that. That's how you install and use a third-party lock app in Google Drive. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.